Hello guys, today I want to show you how to add audio file in Google Drive. So first, head over to Google. Type in Google Drive in search bar. Tap in the first link that appears to you. This will open your drive with your associated Gmail account. Now, just head over to My Drive. Just click on New. Let's, for example, create a new folder. Call it Audio. So, click on Create. Head over to My Drive again. Here's your recently created folder. Click on it. Now let's just upload an audio file. So click on plus, File Upload. Select any audio file you have, MP3 or WAV file on your computer. For example, this file. Click on Open. Now you see here the progress bar of the file upload on Google Drive. Now it's successfully uploaded and added to your designated audio folder in Google Drive. And that's it, guys. Here in a few simple steps, we learned how to add an audio file in Google Drive. If you like this video and if this was helpful for your work, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. See you on the next video.